everybody, welcome back to Rach and Bella Crafts. I'm Rachel and it is lovely to have you here in my craft room. So lots going on over the last couple of weeks, as you know mostly. I do apologise, I haven't been back on. I didn't manage to finish even my last collaboration video, which was not good. So I do apologise for that, I owe you a video. But I'm here today to do a special introduction video for you all because we are launching our new Christmas collaboration. So the new Christmas collaboration is called A Crafter's Christmas Hop. God, I don't have to come up with these complicated names, I know. It's all right until you've got to say it. We're very excited. It's our fifth collaboration, our Christmas collaboration now. So this will be our 5th year of running it. And we can't wait to get started. We have another amazing lineup of YouTubers for you. I cannot express enough how grateful we are to all of the YouTubers that agree to take part and just love to come and collaborate and to bring you the very best of Christmas craft ideas. So we're going to be looking at something slightly different. We tried something a bit with our last collaboration, you know, we did the one Best of British. So I wanted to kind of think of something a little bit new. I cannot take credit for this idea. Nigeza creates, Jez, she's on our design team, she's a very good friend, she comes to all our retreats. And I hope you follow her channel. If you don't, get over and check her out because she's amazing. Well, she said to me at the last retreat, which was like, oh my goodness, what, 4 weeks ago? Rach, have you thought about doing a hop? So I was like, right, you don't have to explain this process to me. So she said, well, basically you start with one channel and then they send them to the next and then to the next and then to the next. And I was like, that's not a bad idea, actually. So I've taken Jez's idea and reduced it a little bit because I didn't think you guys would want to be sent too many places. That's obviously if you're doing once a month, but I've tried to blend her monthly idea into making it for a month. So you're going to have 2 YouTubers every day. I will put the list into the Ko-fi downloads for you today. And then how it'll work is channel number 1 will bring you an idea. We'll do a tutorial or something along those lines. Well, I hope they will. And then you will go over then, they'll send you then to the second channel. So make sure you've remembered to go to the second channel. And on the second channel, then you will see either the design or the idea that was done in the first video will either then be embellished and completed or decorated, or they will do it in their own style, or they may add something to it, or they may tell you how you can use it in a different way in a journal. But they will just embellish on the idea from craft number 1. So hopefully you get the idea there. They won't be 2 big, complicated, separate projects in one day. We're quite keen to kind of simplify things for you. I know it's a long month and I'd like you to keep coming back, and I also like you to be able to follow along and create stuff as we go in. So like I say, it'll be one idea, but it'll be done in 2 different ways by 2 different YouTubers. So please do check out the list with everybody that's taken part, and please do go and check out their channels. And when you watch the video, it's really, really important if you can remember to click on the like button. And also if you can click on the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. Obviously you only do that if you're going to go back and watch some more of their videos, because otherwise YouTube does this like random thing. It's just constantly working against us, YouTube. So what it'll do is if you don't interact with them again, then it'll remove your subscription. So it'll kind of be a bit pointless. And it can be a bit demoralizing if you're first starting out. So yeah, go and check out some of the other things that are in their channels and, you know, in their playlists and what have you. And then don't forget to leave them a like and don't forget to leave them a comment, because that will help their channels grow, because that is the whole idea of our collaborations, is that we help smaller channels, give them a bit of a leg up, and we love to bring the bigger channels, not bring them down, but bring them into the group, and it's really lovely. It's nice for them because it can be, you know, it's no joke for them. It can be quite lonely at the top. So it's lovely for them to come and experience a bit of community, because they're all so busy. And they get to then meet lots of other YouTubers, and I just love seeing then through the year when people that we've collaborated with in our big collaborations go off and they do little collaborations together and projects together, and it's really nice. It's just great, fostering this sense of community, which I couldn't find when I first started, so that's why I started doing the collaborations. I'm looking to my left here, sorry guys, because I've got a list on my screen, and I'm thinking if I don't look at my list I'm gonna forget to tell you stuff. So okay, yeah, I've told you about the 2 channels. I've told you about the Crafter's Christmas Hop, no bunnies. It runs from the 1st of November to the 30th of November. Today is the 1st. Now tomorrow there's no video. We're not running videos on a Sunday. We thought we'd give you a Sunday to catch up. So tomorrow your day, your job is to download the kit. Oh, I haven't told you about that yet. And do all your fussy cutting, because you're going to need all your fussy cutting done from the start, because once you get into the first load of videos, they're going to be things that you're going to want to recreate and craft and do, and you're going to want all your fussy cutting done, trust me, because I know the girls are going to be embellishing this and decorating that, and it'll all be done. And I haven't even unpacked my scan and cut yet, so I've had to sit and hand cut all my stuff and do all my fussy cutting last night. Well, I've done half of it, so I've got to finish the rest tonight, but there we are. So the kit, let me tell you about the kits. Okay, we have got 4 kits, 4. They are called a Crafter's Christmas, which is the journal pages journal kit. Then we've got a Crafter's Christmas backgrounds. Then we've got a Crafter's Christmas fussy kits and a Crafter's Christmas add-on ephemera kit. So I'm going to pause me now and give you a quick flip through of them. Pointless me printing them, otherwise I'd be sitting here doing this, wouldn't I? And this is page 1. Well, actually I think that's page 17, but yeah, it would be far better if you go and just watch it on a little reel and then come back. I hope you like them. My goodness, it was so hard this year. This is my 5th Christmas, as I say, doing collaboration kits. Felt the pressure was on a bit. There's only so many ways you can do Christmas. Only so many different images of Father Christmas, but yeah, no, I'm really pleased with it. It was like a bit of a, took ages, but once I got into my stride, I had a full night up and then I just got it all done. So yeah, I'm really pleased with them. The girls like them. That's the important thing, because they're working with them. And the lads, sorry, we've got some lads in our collab as well. I must remember to say that. The kit. If you go to our website, you will find the collaboration page. The link is in the description box below. And on the website, you will find all of the kits. The 4 kits are listed individually, but look carefully, because there is one option you can click on, one item, and it's called the Ultimate Bundle. And that basically is all the 4 kits in one. So don't buy that one and all 4, just buy Ultimate Bundle if you're going to buy all 4, because you get money off then, all right? It's a discount. Speaking of money off, we have a 40% off sale on our kits for Christmas. So if you do go over to our website, they're not going to be in our Etsy store. We are winding Etsy down, not doing Etsy anymore. I'm tired of doing all this work and then they pinch all my money. So no more Etsy. We are on our own website now. The website is richandbellacrafts.com. Really simple to remember. And if you go to our shop there, but if you go onto the collaboration page, it's all at the top. Everything is in one place for you. But if you do want to look at the shop, there's a little button at the top that says shop, clue, and then you can go and check out other stuff. We've got all last year's kits and all the other collaboration kits are in there as well. But our sale is 40% off, so all kits are 40% off, and even the Ultimate Bundle, even though that's a saving, has also got 40% off. So do not delay. Go over today. Oh, that rhymed. And if you download your kits today, then you can spend all day tomorrow sitting, chilling in front of the fire or wherever you spend your lovely Sunday afternoon, and you can do all your fussy cutting. Because Monday morning on the 3rd, you will have me again and Bella. That's my mum if you're new to our channel. And we will be bringing you a brilliant project. I'm going to say brilliant because, yeah, you know, got to build it up a bit. I hope you think it's brilliant. No, it'll be brilliant. And then Bella is going to show you then her version of what I'm bringing you. So do your fussy cutting. Get all your bits and pieces cut out. Get your tags cut out. You're going to need your tags. And any envelopes that are in the kit, you'll want those. And bring with you some scrap envelopes. Because you'll also need those. I'm so sorry, my eyes are all over the place because things keep flashing on my screen. Anyway, go away. Okay, what else do I need to tell you? Oh yes, giveaways. Now we're going to be running giveaways in the videos. Now I'm not doing the giveaway like we used to do it, where we would do, you know, leave it like blah 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 and then I'll draw at the end. No, I'm not doing that. So every week I will be drawing a giveaway from our last week's video, and I have mentioned to the girls and the lads, girls and the lads, the collaborators, that for them to run giveaways in their own videos if they so choose. Some may not. So you have to go and find out, don't you? But yeah, so we'll be running giveaways. I have got quite a few things to get rid of. No, not get rid of, you know what I mean. To give away quite a few things, because I've moved house, and where I was for the last like 9 months, I had a really big craft room. Didn't get a lot done, but had a lot of space and like I had everything out and what have you, but having to downsize obviously to move back home, which has been wonderful to be back. But I haven't got much room, no. So I'm having to downsize. So I've had to sell a lot of my journals off, went to the retreat and sold a lot and gave a lot away. And I've got other stuff. So I've got lots of Christmassy stuff. I've got some packs. Oh, it's over there and I want to show you. Shall I go and get it? I might in a minute. Well, no, I'll show you in the video tomorrow. But I have some Christmas packs to give away. So I will show those to you tomorrow in the video. And as you can see, I have behind me here this most beautiful display of all of the lovely things, well, some of the lovely things, I couldn't fit it all up there, but some of the lovely things that you all sent to me over the course of the last couple of collaborations. So the first year, I had COVID, having given me, oh gosh, fireworks. I had COVID, and the collaborators very kindly sent me the things that they'd made so that I could put them on a journal. They're so kind, such good guys, they were good guys. And then the following year, I believe it was, you all sent me, if you see up there, things to go on my Christmas tree. Remember we had a tree and we had it all on the tree and we did our song. Remember the song we did with, yes, well, I started singing it the other day. My son was horrified. I was like, oh, why don't we do a remix of our song? Because I made him sing it with a video look. And he was like, yeah, Mum, no, we don't talk about that. You'll have to go and have a look for the song. It was good. It was a good song. Okay, so what else have I got? Oh, this beautiful decoration here. I've got some lovely little journals that were sent to me. Here were journals that I purchased, and one I had sent to me then, this one last year. And the details for the ladies who I bought these from, I will put in my description box down below because they were amazing. And I mean, look at this one here. I'm fairly certain this one opens. You pull that down, the door will come off. No, it does. Look at that. How cute is that? There's a little corgi inside. I hope you can see. On this one here. Her journal's beautiful. No, you go and lie down. Thank you, Taffy. That's my first Christmas journal there. That's the one I did last year that I didn't finish, but it's got all my bits and bobs in there. And then some other lovely things have been sent by people, and Bella made that one for me. So one of these will probably, you know, be utilised this year now when I put my journal together. But no, go lie down. Oh, Taff's decided to come and jump in on it now. Right, anything else I've got to tell you? So I've done the giveaways, I've done... just also wanted to say again, a big massive thank you to all of the YouTubers who are taking part this year. We've got some new, some old, some you'll recognise, some you may not. Every year we do try to encourage other people to come and join us. So there are a couple that haven't done a Christmas collaboration with us before. Taffy, go lie down. And I'm hoping that you'll make sure you go over and support them because we've got some that are quite young channels and they really are trying to, you know, get going. So just a reminder, YouTube is very, very hard. Very hard. It's a lot of work and it makes us all very nervous. And when you haven't done a video for a while, yeah, you can kind of, you know, find it quite daunting. Like me tonight, I haven't done a video for quite some time and Bella said, talk to them on the thing and show them your room. So I was like, all right, okay. I'll have to brush my hair. But yeah, so no, it is quite nerve-wracking when you haven't been on regularly, but I shall be here plenty throughout November and I'm sure you'll all be fed up the sight of me by then. So I'm hoping to get my room tidy so that I can give you a little bit of a spin around the room. I wonder if I turn my camera a minute now. Oh my goodness, this is talk about bearing your soul. Here we go. So this is my little room. As I say, it's not terrifically tidy right now because I'm still unpacking, but that will kind of give you the gist of where I'm seated. And I'm actually sitting at the dining room table in the middle of the room. Yes, I know. He doesn't like the fireworks. Come on, good boy. Lie down. Come on, good boy. Good lad. So yeah, I will hopefully do a bit of a, you know, where I am and what I've, you know, organised and everything if I ever get it tidy in here. But the main thing is, obviously, we're going to be working with the kit. We are going to be collaborating. We're going to be having a lot of fun. And I just can't wait to see how the hop works. So if you do make anything and you want to show us, which we'd love to see, please do share it. Use the hashtag, which is, I think, hashtag a crafter's hop. Oh, I'm great in that. I'll put it at the bottom of the screen. I haven't got it. Oh, I have. Hang on. Bear with. Bear with. Let me just shut the screen. There it is. Yes, it is. A crafter's Christmas hop. I can see it on my screen. So yes, use that hashtag and then we will be able to pick it up because we type that in every day or so. And if you've done a video or if you've done TAF, if you've done, you know, made something and you've shared it on your Instagram, please do tag us in your Instagram posts, Rachel Bella Crafts and Bella's Crafty Studio. And then it pops up and then we'll pop over and say hi and we'll leave you a comment and share it in our story. But yeah, so use the hashtag. tag us in your post, and then we can see what you're all doing. But we do love to see the work that you're doing and things that you've made, and we'd like to see what's inspiring you. So it helps me then thinking for moving forward for more collaborations. So I think that's it, guys. I don't think I have anything else to tell you. I know. Oh, you're a good boy. I know. He's a bit scared. Yeah, he doesn't like it. Kids are outside with fireworks. Not my kids, just, well, people are outside with fireworks. So yes, because it's Halloween. Oh my goodness. So we're ignoring the door and we're doing our video instead. And it's all Christmassy in here, which is lovely. And I've just unpacked my Christmas box and found my Christmas hand cream. Yeah, I know. Do you want to say hello? Do you? Okay, bear with. See if I can tilt you down. There we go. Taff, look, say hello to everybody. Say hello. No, he doesn't want to be on YouTube, he said. My face is too pretty for the cameras. I know it is, love, I know. There we are. Right, I won't keep any longer, guys. I hope you have a wonderful evening. Don't forget, all the links that you need are in the description box down below. Please do go check them out. And also, please go and support all of my fellow collaborators because they are amazing, and I'm so excited to be working with them all again. And I will be back with you tomorrow. No, I won't. I'll be back with you Monday on the 3rd with Bella for the first of our collaboration hot videos. And the prompts now, go over to Ko-fi because the prompts are over at Ko-fi. Oh, there's freebies as well over on Ko-fi page. But you'll find all that if you go to the website, the collaboration page. Everything is there. So you can click on freebies, you can click on the kits, you can see the schedule. But yeah, everything is on our Ko-fi then for you to download. So you know what's going on, and you can peg it up in your room, and then you can follow it along and tick them off when they're done. So I hope you are as excited as we are, and I hope to see you in the next video. And don't forget to say hi and let me know that you were here. See you all very soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.